how to see your liked videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can actually see our liked videos on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that over that period of using Instagram you have happened to like many videos and then you want to only find the videos that you have liked personally yourself. So if you want to find those videos, Instagram does keep a track of them. So to find that out, open the Instagram application and make sure you're signed into the account, of course. And then you want to make sure to come to your profile page, tap the three lines option here and look for the option called your activity and then tap on it. Once you go to your activity here, you'll find the option called interactions, and here you'll find the option called likes, which means that now Instagram is going to show you a list of all the photos, videos, reels that you have liked on Instagram. Now, unfortunately, you cannot sort them by videos and photos separately. They're just going to show you a list of all the posts that you have liked, which also includes your videos, by the way, as you would be able to find it over here as well. And you can see I have liked this, and this way you should be able to see your liked videos on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.